Hey everybody, thanks for coming back to Disturbing Creations, and today I got a special for you. So we use a lot of different products, we order from a lot of different companies, and we do a lot of different aftermarket stuff. So what I want to do for you today is a review. So we're going to do reviews of all kind of chemicals, things you find at the auto parts store, and aftermarket parts, as well as OEM parts. But why should you go out there and spend your money when our shop can do it for you for free? So come along with us, check it out, watch the review. We're gonna use the product right in front of you.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Disturbing Creations, and we are going to give Meguire's another chance. So I found this, it's a little bit old, mirror glaze. I shook it up, I read the directions again, and it's almost the same as the other one, but this is specifically for hazy, clear plastic. And this is a professional grade. So we're gonna do the same thing I did with the other Meguire's, but we're gonna do this third over here, over there, and we're gonna see how this works. So I have a brand new cloth here we're gonna work with, and a cotton cloth. So we shook it up real good. And then we're gonna put like, oh nasty, it's brown. Oh, it looks like baby dookie. So for the first little bit, we got like this much. You see it kind of soaked into the cloth. I don't like that. It was more watery than a paste, you know? Alright, so. It sounds more watery than a paste. Maybe because it's old. It could have happened. You know? I'm gonna have to give this one just an extra star for being old. This could be an old product. Alright. So we got a little more. My buddy with the Harley down the street just went by. I know you guys got a good treat hearing that, right? So it actually doesn't look that bad. It's a little strange. It's a little weird. I think it's old, you know? But it's Meguire's has always been a good product. I just didn't like that other blue one I did, but this one seems to be working a lot better, you know? See if we can buff it a little bit. So the next one I'm gonna do is, so this is number 1, and then this is number 2, and I'm gonna go inside with a freshie. So we're gonna keep folding, and I'm gonna put some on this one, and then we're gonna go in and do the inside. Let me set the seat up real quick. I'm gonna shake it again. And get a little more. Like a quarter's worth. So I'm gonna go in and do it. And we're gonna do one more on the outside like we did with the other one, just so we can give it a fair, you know, we gotta be fair. So we got one last side. I'm gonna go one more time on the outside so we can see. Man, These little pits. Definitely see the middle where I didn't do. And I think this is better than this. This Meguire's, the first one I did, didn't hold up to this one. I can really see through a lot better, and I can see the line way easier than this one. So I would say this one, then this one. And this is probably 10 years old. Gotta be 10 years old. I found this in a box in my shop, you know? I'm gonna give this 7 stars. I mean, Jesus. Sorry, I was looking at the price, $11.75. I'm gonna give this 4 stars. I'm gonna give it 4 stars because this is a 10 or 12-year-old product that the professional version. See where it says professional here? This cleaned better, and it's 12 years old than that brand new stuff over there of Meguire's that was brand new. I mean, I don't know. I guess it makes a difference when you're buying professional and when you're buying regular for just regular clean. I mean, this says it gives off a mirror glaze, and it really did. Clear plastic cleaner. So I'm definitely gonna have to give this a 4 star. Thanks, thumbs up Meguire. Sorry about the other one, I only gave you 3 stars, but this is definitely a 4. If you guys want to send me one of these that's new, like your upgraded professional one, I'll do another video comparison of cutting the window in half and doing the professional glaze on one side against the, you know, like 10 or 20-year-old beaten window, and give you a better review. But I stand by this. So thanks for coming to Disturbing Kreationz. So far this is the best plastic cleaner that I've found. I don't know what the new one would be called, if it's even called the same thing. Probably doesn't look like this old bottle, but this is the best one that I've found so far. So Meguire, I'm sticking with Meguire's. Thanks Meguire's, you get 4 out of 5 stars. If you like this or used this product before, please leave a comment down below. Tell me if you've had a good or bad time with it. You know, I want to hear all your stories, because I need to know what's going on. I can't just judge one time and see how it is. So thanks for coming. Have a great day. God bless you, and we'll see you on the next one. Oh, by the way, make sure you subscribe, or this stuff won't work for you. It'll just make your window look like Chunky Man.